The next code I want to talk about is a 6.3 error code. It's called, it means that the unit fired, it's running, and then all of a sudden, we lost flame. It's a flame loss error code, a 6.3. And really looking at it, we're going back to the same thing. I mean, we're talking about we lost flame sense.
Back
we lost
to
flame.
the flame sense rod we were talking about earlier. This 6.3 flash means that somewhere in the heating cycle,
Right.
we made it past the initial startup. Okay, so we know that flame sense took place at least once, right, for us to start this heating cycle. But somewhere in this heating cycle, we lost that flame.
Yeah, we saw the flame for 4 seconds. We had 4 seconds to see it. We saw the flame. It starts running, starts heating up, and then we lost it.
Yeah, there's a couple of reasons that could possibly cause this, but I would say probably 90, maybe even 95% of the time, it's a dirty flame sense rod. That buildup that we were talking about earlier starts to build up on the flame sense rod itself, creates a dielectric barrier. The flame is actually present, and we just can't see it because of that dielectric barrier is interrupting that signal, and it drops out on flame. Again, anytime you're in a flame sense code, whether it be a 6.1 or a 6.3, visually inspect the flame. Do I have flame?
Exactly.
If you do, clean your flame sense rod. It will almost always solve the problem.
Yeah.
There are certain circumstances where you may get some erratic flame or something like that may be pulling it away from the flame sense rod.
Or gas pressure.
Yeah, but I would not start there.
No.
Not all that common. It's almost always a dirty flame sense rod. Clean the flame sense rod. If that were to not work, then you can start looking at some of these other things, but they're just not all that common.
Yeah, but always start out there because you did see the flame. You saw it, and then all of a sudden it goes out.
That's right.
So start that way.